Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bendog token. Now Bendog, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Now this is a token that is a meme coin paying homage to Ben the talking dog. Now there was another token that everybody knows about that came out before with the Ben on the profile picture is Ben the dog, and then I believe it changed to like some arrows, and then there was that Ben Armstrong, a BitBoy guy, talking about it all the time. That token, I mean, obviously still exists, and the ironic thing is this Bendog token is a brand new token that's just got a brand new central exchange listing today. This new token, I was looking on Twitter, looking at the links for this Bendog token, and what's trending on Twitter right now is BitBoy is trending on Twitter because he was in some sort of like a kickboxing match or something last night. That's all over Twitter here. So yeah, he's trending in Canada. It says 19,600 tweets about BitBoy, and then if you click on that, it shows BitBoy in this kickboxing match. It looks like at a crypto event where it's like, it says, crypto.com's on the side, and it says $ karate on there, and he's kickboxing with some dude. It looks like he lost. I'm not sure. I didn't watch the whole thing, but in this video that I'm looking at, he's not doing very well at the moment. I don't know. He's doing kind of well in a couple. There's a lot of clips, anyways, that you can see on Twitter. But I digress. That has nothing to actually do with this new token. But this new token, the Bendog token, just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today. And we're going to go over the information on this Bendog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their official webpage is benthedog.io, and very similar looking, obviously, to that other Ben token with everything, except the name of the token is different. It is Bendog, all one word, and this token is on the Solana blockchain. So you can find it on Dex Tools. I just searched it up right now. So on Dex Tools, you can see their chart. You can see how well they're doing. So right now the market cap is $8.94 million for this token. Total liquidity is $214,000. Total supply of this token is 999.99 million tokens. They have 3,130 holders. 24-hour trading volume today is over $2 million. And they have, let's see here, 11.86 million pooled Bendog tokens on Raydium. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. First of all, this token just got listed. It was just announced that they're getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, February 24th at 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Poloniex account, all you'd have to do is download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Bendog, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if Poloniex is not available in your area, because not everyone can use every crypto exchange, so if your country doesn't allow Poloniex, you can get this token off of Raydium. by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Bendog token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is right up here on this Twitter, at bendthedog.io. You can see that the contract address is also right on this Twitter here. So their Twitter is at ben_dog_. They have 118 tweets so far. It says, Bendog, a project on Solana's earliest advisor, Ben the Dog. Then it has a link to their Telegram there, at ben_talking. Their Telegram only has 110 subscribers so far. Very brand new. And they announced their partners. Their partners here with GotBit Hedge Fund. They got lots of memes on their page, of course. They have lots of charts. And yeah, so then if you scroll down, or if you go to their DEX tools chart here, you can find some quick audits. There's no warnings on their quick audit. They have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, no modifiable tax. It says no other risks. So just keep in mind, though, that's just a quick audit, not a full audit, but there's no warnings on there, so that's good. It looks like this token's also available on Orca and maybe Jupiter. It might be available on Jupiter as well, but definitely Raydium. And the web page, or let's see, their Sol scan is available too on DEX tools there. You could click on that. It says 9 decimal places on this token. It has the full name as Ben the Dog on their Sol scan. So even though it's listed as Bendog, the name of the token on Poloniex, Ben the Dog is the official name, but Bendog is the ticker symbol. So just keep that in mind. So on their webpage, it says LP is burned, no tax, so you don't have to worry about slippage. Total supply, 1 billion tokens, so it's a little bit less now because it's deflationary. So, little short story here. It says, in 2017, Anatoly faced a big decision about starting Solana, a new blockchain project. While doubters surrounded him looking for guidance, he turned to an unusual advisor, Ben the Dog. Surprisingly, Ben simple, yep, answered convincingly, and Anatoly took the plunge. The Solana became a massive success. Following Anatoly's footsteps, Ben is now making his mark on Solana. Get ready for Ben, a project created by one of the Solana's earliest advisors and Anatoly's most trusted source of guidance, Ben the Dog. So the original Ben token, I believe, I don't even know if it was the original, but the very popular one was on Binance Smart Chain. So this one's on Sol. And so they also have an embedded Jupiter swap right on their webpage that you could also connect your wallet to and use right on their webpage. So check that out. Bendthedog.io just got a brand new Poloniex listing today. And then I never knew this BitBoy guy is, a kickboxer. So maybe he isn't. Maybe he's just trying it out. But he didn't seem to be doing horribly. Yeah, anyways, check that out on Twitter. There's lots of clips. They're probably on YouTube as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this new Bendog token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.